you how to put a curly bun in your hair. Now, if you previously saw my other video that I just recorded on how to put in a weave ponytail, then you'll know how to achieve this look. By playing with this hair, you can get many, many looks. But right now, I want to put a bun in. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to comb your hair. Get it how you want it, straight. And you want to put it kind of even. Get that straight. Oh, that's a little kink right there. Let's work that out. Where are my scissors? Ta-da! Now you want to get it even all the way around, guys. Okay? So now I have my own hair on the top blending in with the natural color of the ponytail, and it will be two-tone. You can make it like it's highlight, like it's two-tone. It's up to you. Me, I'm just putting it in a quick bun, you know. Now, here, I have these, or I have different things where you can make your bun now. A lot of people like to take it and just start going around, and, you know, you can do it that way. As you go around your bobby pin, or you could take your bun holder, put it right here in the top to help you form your bun. See? You know, once you put it on there, well, it'll stay if you put it on there right and you get it tight. This one is a little loose because it's an old hair thing. And then you can go around. Me, I'm just going to start going around, guys. So you take it, again, I have 2-inch bobby pins. You start it to go around. Take your bobby pin and just pin it inward, guys. Spin it up. Now, if your bobby pin feels like it's not secure, what you want to do is pull it out, go back in, pop it in. Okay? Continue to go on around. You can just pluff around or brush around. That makes a difference in how your bun is going to look. Okay? And take another bobby pin and just, again, go to the back. Now, when you put your bobby pin in, you want to go into the actual ponytail that you just put into your hair. Okay? Now, I'm going to comb this down. Depending on what your bun, what you want it to look like. Okay? Now, we have messy buns, we have nice and neat buns, we have all kinds of buns. It just depends on what you want your bun to look like. I'm not showing you how to get the different kinds of buns. I'm just showing you the basic elements of how to get your bun in, get it started. As you continue to do this, you will learn how to work and manage the type of hair that you buy, and you will get better and better at this as you go along. So You too will learn different styles, different ways to achieve different looks. Okay? Never be afraid to try something new. I'm a type of person, I like things to be different. I don't like to be like everyone else. But if I like something that a lot of people are doing, hey, I just like that. If you end up with a style that no one else has, and you like it and you think it's cute, wear it. Don't worry about what everyone else thinks. I can guarantee you'll get more compliments with your own style than you will with something that everybody has in their head. So, again, each time you put your bobby pin in, you want to go into the hair and push down, okay? Now, there'll be sometimes you'll get a bobby pin and you'll notice you're pushing it in to where another one is and it may twist. Don't worry. Pull it out, throw it away. I like to always throw my bobby pins away if I have to pull it out and it hasn't retained its shape. Or even if it has, I'm going to throw it away because I want it to be the most secure, you know. So if I've taken it out of its element in any kind of way, it's trash. Okay? Now, see there? Now, I'm not through with it. I'm going to tweak it some more. But what I strongly urge you guys to do, I know a lot of people who forget to do this, invest in a mirror, okay? This one's a little dirty, I know. But you want to always make sure you check the back of your hair. You have a big mirror behind you, put this one in front of you. Look at the back of your hair, guys. Don't just take someone's word. You might have a hater. Oh, that's cute, and it's not. Look at the back. Look at the top. Look at your hair all the way around, guys. Use these two mirrors for that. That way, you know. You get some haters that let you go outside and you thinking you cute and you looking like trash. So always double check your own work. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Love you.